Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2015 F-150 XLT in magnetic with black sport cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. It has a 3.5-liter V6 engine. It's an EcoBoost and it's a 4x4. It has an FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates, and it has a trailer tow package. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is powered with lumbar. Your power pedals are located here. Lighting controls, there's a grab handle in the body, making it easier to get in. The steering wheel can tilt and telescope, and on the face of it is your dash controls, cruise control, media with volume, as well as sync voice activated system. When we start up the vehicle, you're going to notice any important messages. As well, there's a menu that you can toggle through. So display mode, trip fuel, towing, off-road, settings, and these all have sub-menus. In the center you have a little bit of a cubby, hill descent, traction control, hazard lights. You've got a display screen here, and when you put the vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see your backup camera view. So if we go into entertainment, we can touch on the screen for our sources: AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, USB, as well as Bluetooth, SD card, and auxiliary line in. As well, we can go back home, go into settings for different information. As well, on the top we have information, and on the top left we have the phone for the sync. Below that is your volume and tuner. There's your CD player. You have your climate control with AC and max AC, front and rear defrost, and you also have heated seats for driver and passenger. Off to the side, 4x4 with locking differential and integrated trailer brake controller. Down in the cubby you have your auxiliary line in. That's that little round one. SD card just below, and to the right, USB outlets. You also have a 12-volt, which is on this side. You have an automatic select shifter with tow, haul, and sport, and when you press it, you will see it appear beside the odometer reading. There's tow haul, and then S for sport, and off again. You also have a couple of cup holders, and your armrest opens up. There's more storage inside with a bin that you can remove, and down below you're seeing a 12-volt. There's lots of room in there. Off to the side is your 12-volt and 110 outlet. You also have a locking glove compartment. Up above, an auto-dimming rear view mirror. There's your lighting controls, sunglass holder, and you also have the power button to slide that back window. In the body on the passenger side, you have a grab handle. It makes it easier for them to get in. 20-inch wheels, black running board, body colored door handle, keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless, easy fuel gas filler. The body colored handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. The backup camera is just below that handle. You also have backup sensors on your bumper, a 4- and 7-pin connector trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. When you open up the tailgate, you're going to notice inside in the box you've got the cleats and tie downs. As well, you have a tailgate step, making it easier to get in, and on your fob you have remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. You have seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Very easily lift the seat with one hand, and it's in the upright position. To bring it down, simply pull the clip. There's also anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. There's carpeted mats on the floor, and you're seeing extra all-weather mats. Slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and in the center you have a couple of cup holders, 110 and 12-volt outlets, as well as air vents. There's a grab handle in the body. Up above, hooks and lighting, and in the back, access to a power window. Body colored bumper, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, heated and powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.